So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Depop address. So the first thing you want to do is to open up depop.com. Through there you can see stuff for sale now, your messages, your likes, then your bag and your account. You can see stuff for women, men, kids, brands, sports, trending, and stuff that's on sale. So you can see your likes, your saves. So through there you can change your address a couple different ways. So first off, you can go to your profile and then see some information about it. You can also see for your selling hub, as it's called. And on here, if you're a seller, you can change your address through the location. So if you go to shipping, you can add a new shipping address. You can also change it through there as well. So that's one way to access it. Another would be to go back to the first page, find something that you want to buy. So let's say something like this, and you get to bag, and you can check out one item, and through there you can see you can add a shipping address. You can also change it through there as well, so you just don't have to proceed after that, and you can remove it afterwards because you don't have to follow through with that. You can just get to changing your address within checkout, so you don't actually buy something. You just change the address through there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Depop or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.